Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga Taught by Taylor. For this practice, we're going to go deeper into the hips and our overall practice. So meet me with your left heel tucked in towards you, right knee in line with your hip, hands to heart center. Close the eyes, deepen the breath. Bring your awareness into this present moment. Enjoy this time with self and the body, with the breath. Opening the eyes, we'll inhale, rise, take the arms up. Belly button back, reaching out. This is a full body experience. Palms forward, we'll exhale, float it down. And then walk your hands away from you. Sink into it. Relax your sit bones, relax your face. In and out through the nose. And you'll walk the hands back towards you. Open the arms nice and wide. Sink into your palms. We're going to stretch the front of the hips, gently dropping into your elbows, one at a time. Relax the crown back. Take a moment to settle into the shape. Stretching out the throat. One more breath. Gently press back into your hands. Coming back to center. Find your heart over your hips. Clench your left hand beside you. Spread your fingers wide. We're going to inhale, sweep the right arm across the body, sending the hips forward, reaching out. Palm facing down. Creating space in the right side of the body. Open through your heart. Big inhale. Exhale, float it down. Inhale, sweep the arms up. We'll exhale, twist to the right. Grab a hold of the leg, of the knee. Gaze over your shoulder. Spread your fingers wide, press through your palm. One more breath. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale down. Right leg comes out at an angle, pressing out through your heel. I'm reaching for the arch of my foot. Inhale, sweep the left hand up and over, reaching for the toes. Stretching out the left side of the body. Notice where the mind goes and bring it back to this present moment. Feeling all the sensations in your body and breath. Inhale, rise. Exhale down. Hands to heart center. Let's switch it out, no hands. Right foot in, left leg around. Set yourself up, hands to heart center. We'll inhale, rise. Belly button back, reaching out. Exhale, float it down. Take your time. Sink into it, walk it out. Relax the crown down. See where you can soften, release, and relax. Walk the hands back towards you. You know where we're going. Open up nice and wide. Take your time and float it back. Remember, when we practice yoga, we're not only moving our physical body, but our emotional body as well. So take your time, be gentle, be present. Notice how you show up when something's new or challenging. One more breath. Pressing back forward. Allow things to settle back in. There's no rush in your practice. Spread your fingers wide, press to your palm. We're sending the left hand across the body. And I'm reaching out and opening up. Breathing all the way from my knee up and out through my fingertips. And we'll exhale down. Inhale, rise. Let's twist. To the right, gaze over your shoulder. Twists are all about detoxifying the body, giving our internal organs a nice deep wringing out. And we'll inhale and exhale. Left leg comes out at an angle. I'm reaching for my arch. Inhale, sweep the arm up and over. Soften, receive. And we'll inhale and exhale. We'll come into a full straddle, pressing out through the heels. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, float it down. Palms facing in, gaze forward. We'll inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sink into it. Walk the hands forward. Relax the knees, relax the face. Letting go of any resistance. Letting the body naturally open up. And And we'll walk the hands over to the left. Framing the leg, forehead to knee. And walk the hands through center. We'll take it to the right. Frame the foot, forehead to knee. Gaze out over the toes, palms facing in. We'll inhale, rise. And exhale down. Bringing the soles of the feet together for butterfly. Heels come nice and close. Grab a hold of your toes. Sink your knees down towards your mat. We'll walk the hands forward for a fold. Releasing the crown down towards the feet. Nice, slow, full breaths. Thanking yourself for showing up today. Taking time for the body, for the mind, and spirit. Gently rolling up through the spine. Lengthen up and out. We'll send both legs forward. Press out through the heels, heart over your hips. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Framing the legs, forehead to knee. Keep walking your hands down towards your feet. Gaze out over your toes. Palms facing in. We'll inhale, rise. Palms come together. Exhale to heart center. Lengthen up and out. Press into your palms. Take a moment to set your intention for the rest of your day. What do you desire? What do you want? Give thanks as though it's already done. As always, thank you for allowing me to be your guide. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.